we start with the next topic, that is resolution. And starting with the basic terms as discussed in previous lecture. So you have these terms because in AI these are the most frequent used terms, that is knowledge, intelligence and reasoning. So knowledge, that already you have right, the fact of real world, right? And the intelligence is ability to use that knowledge. And the what is reasoning means you have given a knowledge in form of a knowledge base, so you have to take the output from this knowledge base, right? So this is the reasoning. Okay, so you have to make one machine as an intelligence, so they take the decision without helping human. So reasoning is the actual process to take the decision from the given knowledge base. Okay, now we start with the first order logic. In reasoning, the two concepts are more used, that is first order logic and conjunctive normal form. So what is this? So first of all, we clear the idea of FOL and CNF. Okay. So what is FOL? So already we learned in previous lecture, that is for you have to convert English sentence in predicate logic. So this is the first order logic. So first order logic is another way to knowledge representation in AI. It is an extension to propositional logic. We see the drawback of propositional logic. Anyone know? Then we convert the sentence in predicate logic, right? So in previous lecture, in propositional logic, we can write our sentence in the two form, that is true and false. But we cannot represent our sentence in the more precise way. So this is the extension of propositional logic, is called as a first order logic or predicate logic. So the both the terms are used, that is predicate logic or first order logic, right? So you can describe your object like people, number, colors, then some relations. Suppose you are writing brother of has color, the sister of. So you can represent your relation in easily in predicate logic. Okay, and you can also make one function in first order logic. So we see the example again before starting the resolution, so you more clear the concept. Okay, so as discussed in previous lecture, we have write all the sentence in predicate logic. So all birds are fly, so you can use this symbol for all. So for all eggs, the birds of eggs, then it fly, right? Even man respect his, every man respect his parent. So for all acts, the man of acts respect X respect her parent. Okay, her or his. Now some boys play cricket. So this symbol is used to represent some. So means from all. So you have to represent anyone from one of the group. So you can use this symbol. Okay, some boys. So there exist boys play cricket. So X play cricket. So already we discussed in previous lecture. So I go the main topic of today's lecture. Now, not all the students like both mathematics and science. So here you can write, this is the symbol of not. So here, first of all, you have to write in positive way. So all the students like both mathematics and science. So you can write for all X, student of X like mathematics and. This symbol is used for and X like science. Okay. Now you have cleared the concept of first order logic or predicate logic, right? Now we go to the main topic, that is causal normal form, means conjunctive normal form, that is the short form of CNF. So what is CNF? In Boolean logic, a formula is in CNF or closure normal form if it is a conjunction of one or more clauses, whereas a clause is a destruction of literal. Otherwise, put it as an and, of, or. As a canonical normal form, it is useful in automated theory proving and circuit theory. So I give one example so you can clear this definition. So what is conjunctive normal form? Why and where it is used? As you know, the definition of AI says the machine make intelligence. So from that knowledge base, they can interpret the knowledge and they can take the decision. So we have to convert our knowledge in a machine format so they can interpret easily and they can take decision. So this is CNF is a form that is a we convert our sentence in CNF form so they can interpret easily. So we have to convert our knowledge in the machine language. So they provide the output and action without help of human. Okay. Now we check how we convert our first order logic in CNF form. So what is the CNF problem? Why we convert CNF, our sentence in CNF? So to use this formula in a proof, it required a complex matching process. After matching, for example, suppose you are writing think crazy X, think crazy Y. So this statement is not easily interpreted by computer. So these are the problems occur in AI. So you have to convert your problem in CNF form. So it is necessary to write things with the rest of the formula. Take care for quantifiers. Now, what are the benefits of CNF? That is less embedding of component and quantifier are separated from the rest of the formula. Now we check how we convert our sentence in CNF form. So you have more clear the concept of CNF. Okay. Anyone can say that what is the difference between the first example and in the second example? So here I give one that is example of conjective normal form and the example of not CNF form. So you can differentiate both the examples. So you clear the next step more clear. Anyone can tell me what is the difference between this example and this example? You can write in chat box also. First of all, you see what are the operators and how they can separate and how they can enclose in bracket and all. So you can differentiate this both the terms. Now we check what is the difference between these. So first of all, I clear how to convert our English first order logic in CNF form. So you more clear this difference between this example. So first of all, conversion of FOL means first order logic means your predicate logic into CNF form. So first of all, you have to first step is eliminate biconditional and implication. Suppose in your sentence that this symbol is used that is bidirectional. So you have to replace with unidirectional. Suppose replacing alpha bidirectional beta with alpha implies beta and beta implies alpha. So you have to separate this statement within a two statement and separated with AND operator. Okay. Now the second is replacing alpha implies beta with not alpha or beta. So these are the rules that required to convert your FOL into CNF form. So first step is eliminate biconditional and implication. So if in your statement the bidirectional assignment is there, so you have to replace with unidirectional and separate with and operator. The second thing is alpha implies beta, so you have to replace with not alpha or beta. Okay, so you have to clear the concept how we convert our FOL into CNF form. So FOL, the second step, that is move, not inwards. This symbol is used for not sign, right? Suppose we have taken all the example of not operator. So before bracket you are writing not for all x p. So you can write the E symbol, the reverse of E, that is used for someone X. So not the reverse of for all X, that is for someone X. So you can write for some X, negation of P. So these are the rules. The same as it is the Morgan law, right? So here you can give one not inside bracket, there exists X, P. So you can write for all X, negation of P. Now, before bracket, you have write not alpha or beta. So you can write not alpha and not beta. Now next one is before bracket you are writing not alpha and beta. So is equivalent to not alpha or not beta. Okay. Now not of alpha. So 2 times not, that is the given the main term. That is there is no negation of the term. So not of not alpha is equal to alpha. Now the third one is standardized variable apart by remaining them. Each quantifier should use a different variable. So these are the rules that first of all I list and I take one example so you can more clear the concept. Okay. Now the fourth rule is scholemize, means you have to each existence variable is replaced by a skeleton constant. For example, here the one example given. There exists x, reach of x becomes reach of g1, where g1 is a new skeleton constant. So you have to replace these all the quantifier with one constant, that is g1. So for all x, for there exist, so you can replace with some constant, that is called column constant. Now the next one is everyone has a heart. So you can write your statement in for all x, person of x, means assign heart of y and heart of s. So you can convert this statement in this form. Heart of h of x and has x has heart of x, right? So here you can replace your quantified variable. What is quantified variable? Here there exists and for all x is called as a quantified variable. So you have to replace with some column constant. So here h of x is a column constant and g of g1 is a column constant. Now fifth rule is drop universal quantifier. So in your statement you are writing for all x. So you have to drop this symbol when converting your converting your statement in CNF form. Okay, suppose for all x, person of x. So you have to write person inside bracket x. Okay, so you have to drop this quantifier variable. Now sixth rule is distribute and or. This is the important rule, so you can focus on this rule. Suppose you have given alpha and beta or gamma, so is equivalent to alpha or gamma and beta or gamma. So you have to replace this term with this term. Okay, whenever you are converting your first order logic in CNF form, so you have to separate this and or operator same as it is in this rule. Okay, now you can distribute this term that is already I given. How we can distribute these two example, that is uh, okay, now you can distribute this two example which is in CNF form and which is in not CNF form, because we already see we have to remove all the quantifier and we have to separate the statement with and or operator. And so in here you can see that first example, all the statements there is no quantifier in any statement and they separated with and symbol, and you can write separate this statement easily. Okay, so here in here, since an or is nested within a not, so this some of the rules that is not satisfy the property of conjunctive normal form, that is and is nested with or operator, or is nested within a not. So these all the property that is not in conjunctive normal form. That's why this example is not CNF form, and the above example is in CNF form. Okay, now we go to the main topic, that is resolution. All the students have clear what is first order logic and what is CNF. Okay, anyone have doubt, then you can ask me, because further the next step is more complicated. First of all, you have to clear and build your base. Anyone have query, then you can ask your question in chat box. What is first order logic and what is CNF form? The main picture of conversion of FOL into CNF is we have to make a system that easily understand our given knowledge by computer, and they can process the knowledge and they can provide the decision. Okay, so main concept is that we have to make a system that is understandable and they can take the decision based on their knowledge. So you have clear, I hope you have clear the topic, that is first order logic and CNF form. Now we go to the next topic, that is resolution. In that they require the both the thing, that is FOL and CNF. Okay. So resolution, as I suggest, resolution method is an inference rule which is used in both the proposition as well as first order predicate logic in different way. This method is basically used for proving the satisfiability of a sentence. In a resolution method, we use proof by refutation technique to prove the given statement. So what is the process to prove the statement? So we see in next slide. So the main idea is to minimize the number of operation in order to carry out the proof procedure. Okay. Now you have to focus on this all the step one by one, and you have to start your resolution problem. Okay. So what are the steps required to solve your problem using resolution method? So first of all, first step is negate the statement to be proved. Means आपके पास एक statement है, all birds are fly. Now you have to prove with your knowledge base. Your knowledge base is, we have assumed that the knowledge or a fact is absolutely right. Okay, so we have given the knowledge in system. Now we have to prove that our statement is true from the given knowledge base or a given fact. Okay, so using resolution method. So first step is negate the statement to be proved. Means आपके पास जो statement है, all birds are fly. So you can write not all birds are fly. Means you have to first step, you have to negate the statement, because at the last you can prove that if it is wrong, then you can say that the all birds are fly. You can solve the problem with negation of statement and reach to the final, that is the output is wrong. then you can say that your proof statement is right. Okay. So first of all, you have to negate the statement, then convert given name into first order logic. So as we discussed in previous lecture and today's lecture, how we can convert our statement in first order logic or predicate logic, right? So you first of all you have to convert given name into FOL, means first order logic. Now then you have to convert into CNF form. So already we discussed why we are converting in CNF form. So that is very easy to understand by computer to find the output and action taken for our program. So we are converting our first order logic into CNF form, that is conjunctive normal form. At last step of our resolution is draw resolution graph. Okay, so these 4 steps required to solve your problem using resolution method. So we take one example so you have more clear the concept. Anyone have question, then you can ask me at a time. Okay, now we start with the first example. You can take your book and pen. So you can first of all you have to write English statement into FOL. Okay, enrollment number 29, you can ask your question.
मैम रिपीट करना
कયું which one?
आज જે હમણાં કરાવતા હતા ને
Yes, yeah, resolution. So main idea of what is the resolution, you understand?
yes
Okay, so we have to make our statement as possible as in machine language, so computer can easily understand our program and that take the decision based on our given knowledge. So first of all, first statement is we have to convert our knowledge in first step is negate the statement to be proved. The second statement is convert the given name into FOL, मीन्स आपके पास जो स्टेटमेंट है इंग्लिश के स्टेटमेंट वो क्या है, हमारे फैक्ट्स है और नॉलेज बेस है, मीन्स वो ट्रू है, राइट? सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट ट्रू स्टेटमेंट इन फर्स्ट ऑर्डर लॉजिक, राइट? So in second step we have to convert FOL into CNF form. So why we are converting FOL into CNF? So they provide the more easy way to interpret the statement by machine. So we are converting FOL into CNF form. And last we draw the resolution graph. So the last step of resolution is draw the resolution graph. Okay. Now we start with first example so you have more clear. So you have to take your book and pen and write your statement in first order logic. So first statement, that is Geeta likes all kind of book, all kind of food. So you have to write this 4 statement in first order logic. I give you 5 minutes to write your statement. Then I provide the solution. First of all, you have to write this sentence in first order logic. You can write in chat box as well as. So you have any mistake, then I can suggest you. You can write your answer in chat box. Geeta likes all kind of food. Then second statement is mango and chapati are food. The third statement is Geeta almond and is still alive. Gita eats almond and is still alive. The fourth one is anything eaten by anyone and is still alive is a food. So you have to first statement, you have to write your statement in first order logic. Now you can compare your answer with this solution. So first you are clear how we can convert our statement in first order logic. The first one is Gita likes all kind of food. So for all X, food of X, so Gita likes X. What is X? So X is a food. Okay. Now the next statement is mango and chapati are food. So food, inside bracket you have to write mango and chapati. So food, inside bracket you have to write chapati. So food is a class and chapati is the instance of a class. Okay. Now the third statement is Gita eats almond and still alive. So you can write in this format. Okay. So the fourth statement is Gita eats almond and Gita is alive. Okay. Now the next statement is anything eaten by anyone is still alive is food. So you can write in this statement. Third statement is anything anyone eats so you can separate your statement also. Now we start the solution of our problem. That is, first of all, you have to convert your English statement or first order logic in CNF form. So how you can convert your first order logic in CNF form? So first of all, we have write for all X, food of X likes Gita. So you have to already we see in lecture how we convert our statement in CNF form. So for all X, you have to remove the quantifier and you have to replace this implying sign with or operator, and you have to negate your statement. So this is the rule for converting your FOL into CNF form. So for all X, so we have to drop this symbol and negate the statement. So food of X. So here the sign we replace with negation, right? So negate food of X and implication sign replaced with the and or operator. Okay. So food of X or likes Gita X. Okay. Now the second statement is as it is because there is no replacement of and or operator. So this is the simple statement that can understand a machine easily. Now the third statement is for all X and for all Y. So first of all we drop the quantifier and then we have to negate the statement. So it's XY. So we have negate and not it's XY. Then we have to replace and operator with or operator. Then killed X. So before starting writing, so we negate the statement. So negation and negation means original term, that is killed X. And then we have to replace this implication sign with or operator. So here food of Y. So we have to drop this quantifier and then replace this implication sign with or operator, and we have to negate the statement. So eats xy, so not xy, and the negation of killed x is equal to original term, that is killed of x. Okay. Then we replace this term implication with or operator. Now the fourth statement. Gita eats almond and still alive. Gita is still alive, right? So we have to convert in CNF form. So here there is no quantifier in this statement. So we can easily write this statement. Also, you can split the statement. So here you can write two statements, that is alive Gita and Gita eats almond. Okay. Now the fifth statement, for all x, that is killed x, not killed x, and is alive. So you have to drop the quantifier and then negate the statement, and you have to replace this implication sign with the or operator. So killed of x, you have to write not killed of x and write implication sign with or operator and alive x. Now the sixth statement. So you have to drop the quantifier and negate the statement, that is not alive x, and you have to replace the implication sign with or operator, and you can write this statement in CNF form. Okay, all the have clear? All the students have clear what are the rules to convert our FOL in CNF form? First of all, you have to drop the quantifier and implication sign, replace with or operator, and negate the statement. Okay. These are the rules for converting your FOL logic in CNF form. Because you, as you seen in this screen, so this term, there is for all x, then negotiation. This is difficult to understand by machine because this statement write by human. So we have to convert in easy form. So a machine can easily understand and they can take the decision. Okay. Anyone have still query how we convert FOL in CNF? So you can ask your question. Now we go to the next step. There is no question, so we go to the next step. Anyone have query? Then you can ask your question in chat box. Okay, now the last step is we have to draw the resolution graph. So you have to focus on this diagram. You have to more clear the concept of resolution. Okay, where we have to start to solve our problem. So first of all, we have to prove that Geeta likes almonds. So I give one story. आपके पास knowledge है, आपने system में डाला, right? All the fact you have to write in the laptop or in your program. So based on that, the system have to take the decision. So first of all, what you can do, you have to write your problem in negotiation form. Then you have to write English sentence in first order logic. Then you have to convert first order logic in CNF form. Then CNF form you have to plot in a graph. That is resolution graph. So this is the resolution graph of your problem. That is, you have to prove that Geeta likes almond. Means हमने सिस्टम को क्वेश्चन पूछा है, गीता लाइक्स आलमंड्स. So how the system can interpret our program? So this is the process of understanding of a machine. So based on that, they can provide the answer. So we can understand the machine language. Okay. So one by one we convert all the statement in English to FOL, then FOL into CNF. Now at last step of our resolution is plot the graph. Now, first of all, first statement is you have to negate the statement. So first of all, what is your statement? That is prove that Geeta likes almond. So you have to write not likes, Geeta likes almond. So Geeta not likes almond. Okay, the first statement is this. So you have to negate the statement. Okay. Now already you have the statement of CNF form. because you have converted your English language in easy language, that is CNF form. Okay, so first of all you have to check in which statement the likes Gita almond is there. So you can check that the first statement. Here the first statement, that is likes Gita and X, means the X is replaced with the almond. So you have to check which statement, that is first statement, right? So you have to write this first statement and replace almond with X. Okay. So you have to write in this side. Okay. Here you can write not food inside bracket almond. Here X is a variable that is given here almond. So you have to replace almond with X. Okay. So you can write your statement that is used to for proof your statement. So food almond and or Gita likes almond. Okay. Now we have to go the next step. Okay, here we are replacing X with almond, so we have to write this almond word. Now you have to check which statement contains this all the term. So you can see that it's killed and food. So here the food almond is contained in statement number 3. So you can write this statement in this side. So it's X, it's Y, then or X killed, then or food almond. Okay, you have to check the right side of your graph with this CNF form, and then you have to replace your statement with this statement. Okay. Now the next one is you have to replace its X not it Y, or X killed, or almond is a food. Now here the X is replaced with a almond, right? Now you have to check in here which statement contains the any of these quantifier, killed of X, food of X, and eat of X. So here the statement that is statement number 4, Gita eats almond. So it's given. So you have to replace this. You have to write statement number 4 here, right side. So Gita eats almond, because you have to check which quantifier is in this CNF form. Okay. There is two statement in a CNF form, like, so you can choose any one. Yes, Joy, ask your question. First, I finish this diagram, then you can ask me question. Okay. So here I replace Gita, not Gita almond and or X killed. So you have to check which statement contain the any quantifier or any keyword. So you have to replace with this statement. Here I replace it Gita eats almond. Right. Now I check which statement contain any one of these. So you can check that the statement number 5 contain killed Gita, or okay. So you can replace with this statement, that is statement number 5. Okay. Now statement number 5 has a two statement, that is killed of Gita and alive X. So you can write in here. Okay, alive Gita and killed Gita. Okay. Now you have to come to the next step, that is not alive Gita. Okay. So now you have to check in your CNF form any of the form that minimize your this value. Already you have statement number 4, that is alive Gita. So you are proofing your statement, you are come to this topic, that is not alive Gita, but already you have a proof or a fact that you are already building in your system, that is a knowledge base. Means here you are proving not alive Gita, but already one truth is that is alive Gita. So you can write alive Gita, and minus minus plus means you can you can wrong prove your statement this is a wrong. So you can write here 5 because you are reached to your final destination. Now what is the proof? That is, you are starting with the negotiation and you end with this 5 symbol. Means you prove the statement that is Gita likes almond. Okay. Again I repeat. So this is the step how you have to solve your problem. So at last, what is your proof? Hence, we have achieved the given goal with the help of proof by contradiction. Thus, it is proven that Gita likes almond. Okay. Now again, I repeat this diagram. So first of all, start with the negotiation of your statement. That is Gita likes almond. So you have to negate the statement that is Gita not likes almond. Now you have to check which statement contain the likes Gita and almond. So you can check that the statement number 1 has a content that is likes and likes keyword. Okay, so you can replace other statement that also contain this word. Okay, there is no limitation, you can't replace, there is no limitation, but at last you have to prove the negation of your statement. So you can use any statement that contain likes keyword. So here the first statement that contain food of X or Gita likes X. Okay, so I replace this statement here. So you have to write in right side. Okay, so starting with the negotiation, and then here X term is replaced with the almond because in our statement the X is almond. So here I write almond. Okay. Now we go to the next statement that contain food and likes. Okay. So which statement contain food and like? So statement number 3 that contain food. Okay, so I replace with this statement. So which statement I use for replacement, that I have to write in this side, right side. Okay, so here I use it's X not eat Y, or X killed, or Y food. Okay, now I check which statement contain any word of this statement. So eat and killed. So I check in our CNF form. So the statement number 4 contain the word eats. So Gita eats almond. So I replace and write this statement in right side. So Gita eats almond. Okay. Now I check which statement contain Gita eats almond something. So you can write killed Gita. Okay, so you can write here the statement that is killed Gita or alive X. Okay, you can write this statement, and we can come to this point that is alive, not alive Gita. Okay, so not alive Gita. So already check, you have to check in your CNF form which statement negate your proof. So already you have fact that is alive Gita. So you have to replace with this statement and negotiation and positive that cause your statement, that eliminate your statement, right? So not Gita alive is eliminate with this statement number 4, because we are supporting the truth of our statement. So that is right before this diagram, that is alive Gita. So you can write with and eliminate this statement, and you have to write at last 5. So now your example is clear and complete. So you can say that Gita likes almond. Everyone have clear? Otherwise, you can ask your question now. Now ask your question. Anyone have problem? Who has not understand how to convert FOL in CNF? One student have write their question CNF form. Now you clear CNF form, how to convert FOL in CNF form? Yes or no? All the students have clear how you have to prove with resolution method. Again I repeat. Anyone have problem? Then again I repeat. At last I repeat this concept. So as you all know what is knowledge, what is intelligence and reasoning, right? Now what is first order logic? That is predicate logic. So you have to write your English statement in predicate logic. This is the first order logic. Then you can write in this format. Already previous lecture we have studied how you can write our statement in predicate logic. All birds are fly. So these are the symbol used to writing your English sentence in predicate logic, right? Now what is conjecture normal form? So you can eliminate the quantifier and some implication sign from your statement. Why? Because the computer can easily understand your knowledge and fact. So that's why you have to convert FOL logic in conjunctive normal form, right? So these are the benefits of CNF form. Now how you can write how you can convert your FOL into CNF. So first of all you have to eliminate the biconditional and implication. Suppose you are given alpha biconditional beta, so which you have to replace with the alpha implies beta and beta implies alpha. Now eliminate alpha implies beta. So implies symbol a computer can't understand easily. So that's why you have to write in and and or get, because in and or get Boolean logic 0 and 1 is used. So Boolean in this language computer can understand easily. So you can replace implication sign with and or and not operator. So here we are writing not alpha or beta. Okay, now the next step is move negotiation inward. मीन्स बिफोर ब्रैकेट जो सिंबल है उसको आपको सेपरेट करना है और उसको सोल्व करना है, right? The third fourth step is you have to replace skeleton function with a constant variable. Fifth step is you have to drop the universal quantifier like for all x, then there exists, and you have to last step is distribute and over or. So आपको क्या करना है? और ऑपरेटर यूज करना है इंस्टेड ऑफ एंड. ओके. Now what is resolution? You know. So what is the first step? That is negate the statement to be proved, then convert the given name into FOL, then convert the FOL into CNF form, and at last the step is draw resolution graph. Okay. So first of all we have to prove Gita likes almond. So for the truth is given, that is four statement, that is Gita like all kind of food, mango and chapati are food, Gita eat almond and still alive, anything eaten by anyone and is still alive is a food, right? So this is a fact, this is the right statement. So you have to given the statement. Now you have to predict and prove how the Gita likes almond. So first step is you have to convert in FOL. So already we discussed, so I not repeat this. Now you have to convert this FOL in CNF form. So how you can convert? So first of all you have to drop the quantifier. So for all x replace with you have to drop, and then you have to negate the statement. So here food of x, so you have to write not food of x, and replace the implication sign with or operator. So or and Gita likes x. Same as it is, you have to write all the statement in CNF form. Now the last step is you have to draw the resolution graph. So starting with the initial position, that is negate the statement, that is not Geeta likes almond. Now one by one check in CNF form which statement contain this keyword, that is likes Geeta almond. You have to replace with this statement. And at last you have to prove that is not alive Geeta and alive Geeta. This is the contradiction. So you can eliminate this statement and file. So starting with your negotiation, you are proof that the Geeta likes a almond. Okay.